Honey, are you fucking kidding me?
Mon beau soldat. Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end.
Looks like I'm best and you're the worst.
Here is how fire how your physical butt.
It looks like I'm best and you're the worst.
Here is I hear a sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right, but I heard a creep. I'm always quick to rage. Run. What's that sound? I know someone's there, hiding in the shadows, thinking I was unaware. Well, who's that I see? The birthday boy to be. Well, let's invite him over. Hurry up before he's bolder. Oh, blind, let's make this fun. Yeah. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it.
I just don't understand people who copy paper dragons. If they think that's cool, then well, you're messed up, because that's literally stolen art, and none of the copies ever end up somewhere well. And I don't understand, because you can make your own designs and be a lot more popular and loved and not hated. And if you think stolen art, copying dragons is good, then your life not gonna end up somewhere well. Let me tell you that, honey. And if you're proud of your stolen design from someone else and you can't make your own, that's just pathetic.
I could be a little nasty. I'm a stone cold nasty. I could be a little rocket freak that treat me like an animal. Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. Rock this bitch, that Rocky Horror Picture. They call me an American.
Yo, if you don't shut your mouth, I'ma shut it for you, punk. Hit ya with the punk tactics. Hit ya with the punk tactics.
Alright, tag the creator. Tag the person I copied. I dare you.
You will fear me.
I recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
Hey, Italian man. Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can I gotta shut the fuck up here?
Daisy, give me your answer, do.
I'm ready.
You'll fall down above you. Daisy, give me your answer, do.
I'm ready.
You'll fall down above you.
I can call you Angela, right?
For you, Dr. Ziegler.
Oh, I'm a little hurt, Doctor.
I keep forgetting to calibrate my staff to your higher temperature.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm hot stuff.
More like the stuff of medical nightmares.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
Я здесь, папочка!
Привет, Ваня. Офицер!
I began to hate your softness, your viscera, your fluids, and your flexibility. And you five are, and you will not die of it. That I promise, and I promise.
Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore
I am. Let me tell you how much.
3, 2, 1.